Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video. This seller was selling through Hole in the Wall Beads Destash on Facebook, and her name is Lorie Mattson, and I'm super excited to jump into it. She had some vintage stuff. So the first thing that drew my eye, for some reason, and who knows what past Brittany was thinking, but I'm like happy she was thinking about this. Each one was $1, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but they're cabochons with ladies on them. I don't know what, they might be painted on there. She said they weren't decals, so they're kind of a little bit, like Alice in Wonderland-ish almost, but I love them. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. That's what a bead hoarder does. She buys stuff who she doesn't know what she's going to do with. But anyway, I just love how sassy they were. Look at these ladies. So it's purple and green, and then we have blue and red. Each one's sassier than the next. I love them. I don't know if you guys know that, but Sassy Bee is one of my nicknames. It's been one of my nicknames since I was a kid. So I had to buy the Sassy Ladies. Don't know what I'm going to do. They're acrylic or lucite or something, but they're just so cool. They're just so cool. Okay, so that was the first thing that drew me into her sale. Next, we have some more acrylic beads. Little tubes. Love it. Next, we have some more acrylic beads. These are purple. Didn't see these until almost at the end, and then I saw my friend Julie wanted some, so I had to get some too. This fear of missing out is real. So it looks like there's two different sizes. So we have the squished size and the elongated size. And I love them. Such a nice color purple too. Hello, look at these beads. Oh my goodness, I am in love with these. They're acrylic. They're like metal plated acrylic, which I don't normally go for, but I couldn't pass these up. There's no way. And this one is actually, it almost looks like silver with the finish rubbing off, but this one is definitely like antique brass, or just brass color. Don't care that they're different looking, because I actually think that gives them more character. But this is just, oh, and these two are the same. Okay. They are just so cool. They're so cool. Those would look great with African beads, bone beads, gemstones, anything. There's so many beads in so little time. I have so many ideas, and then I put things away, and then the ideas evaporate. I need to watch these videos again because I'm having great ideas about those beads. There's some acrylic tubes again in a bright red. Those are really nice. I like those a lot. Those would look really good with like some crackle glass and like an amber color. I think some of the beads that Lynn sent me would look really nice with those. Oh, so I got a bunch of these like little groupings, little lots of filigrees and stampings, and I think the most expensive one was like $3.50 maybe. Most of them were like $2 to $2.50. So each one was anywhere from like 5 to 11 pieces. So this is cool. Here's the back. First of all, I can make an awesome mold out of this, and I absolutely am going to. And yeah, that's really cool. That is really cool. I love that. Ooh, this is pretty. Now this, you know, Vintage sells these for so much money. This is so beautiful, and you can leave it like this, dangle something in front of it, or you can get a big gemstone and wrap this around it and glue it. Like it's pliable enough that you can wrap this, or use pliers to wrap it around something else. And you can layer these too, and maybe not these, but let's say you had another one. Oh, those actually look kind of nice together. You can layer them, put another stone in the middle, layer something else. It's just so cool. This guy is beautiful. I think this is why I bought this lot, was this guy. So gorgeous. I am super pleased already with this entire order. This is really neat. I would possibly use this with polymer clay. Use this as a bail maybe. on the front of something. Oh, a beautiful flower. These are really high quality. Lorie, I am impressed. Thank you. This one has a setting in it. And then we have another flower. That's a really high quality brass, piece of brass stamping. Love that. The first one was just fantastic. Okay, and then we have some, I think these are acrylic. Yeah. Plastic donuts, 2 of them. So cute. Can't really tell they're plastic unless you get up close. And then we have, oh, another little thing. Oh, it's a cute little crown. We have a birdie. Yep, going to be making a mold of that. That's wonderful. I'm going to have to set the ones that I want to make molds the other side. There we go. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, there's 2 of them. Little teapots. I have to make a molded one. So cute. This is so ornate and such a nice piece. Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna have to make sure I check out when she has another show. I'll put the information in the description below. This is beautiful. This is definitely vintage. It's a vintage finish, that basket weave look. Lovely. These are so much better than I expected, and I expected pretty good because they looked nice in the pictures, but in person they're super nice. Another, are these the same? Yeah, one's just been, like been aged. Lovely. And this is nice too. And the reason why I really like this, I have a lot of filigrees, but a lot of them aren't quality like this. Like, they're nice, they're perfect for the background of a cabochon or something. These could be these could be the focal. They don't need anything else because they're so nice. Like this, stunning. This one, lovely. Love them so much. Very happy with this order. Ooh, look, I have another bag of these. I'm so glad I got 2 bags. That's awesome. Okay. Okay, let's see here. So I have some more acrylic beads. Okay, so these are like the red ones, but they're blue, and I love them. I like these a little bit more because, you know, I like blue more than red, but they're both beautiful. And this one actually kind of looks like they could pass for gemstones too. You can see these being knotted on a long singular strand with some seed beads and some gemstones. I think that would be really pretty. And then, oh, same ones, but a little bit larger. These are, no, they're all the same size, but we have some purple. Pretty purple. Sometimes it's hard to get a pretty purple. Like, sometimes it's too dusty, or it's too bright, or it's too light, but that's a really nice, deep royal purple. Maybe not royal purple, but very nice purple. I love these. They're like end caps, or, you know, you could use them as bells, but they're really like cord ends or really large bead caps. Very cool. I love them. Stunning. I love, 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 love these. Everything in here is such high quality. I love it. Yes. Ooh. Second bag of those. So happy. And then, goodness. My goodness. The rest, I have 4 more of those brass lots. So, make some room here. Here's the next one. These are all more solid. Look at this. Look at this solid brass donut. Hello. I wouldn't change it. I'd leave it like exactly like this. Use some leather. Good to go. You could punch a hole in this if you wanted to, but I wouldn't. You could stamp on it. You could put like a tribal design, any kind of design. But I think if when I use this, it will be just the brass donut. This is, okay, there are so many favorites in here, but so far this is my favorite. I know it's plain, but it's just kind of speaks for itself. A really nice brass like crescent. You could do like this. Wire wrap some gemstones or crystals onto it and punch a couple holes and you're good to go. You could glue on some bales to that. Several different things you could do with this. You could put like this and have some things, you know, either connect to these holes or hang down. You could drill some more holes on the top. Again, you can glue on bales. You can glue this onto something else. I can embed this in polymer clay. Oh my gosh, all the ideas. I'm getting all the ideas. This is a bookmark, but I read everything on my phone or tablet. I could see changing this into a pendant. Just glue something on the top, wire wrap something, and just let it hang. Be beautiful. Another moon, another crescent. This is beautiful. I think I would do it like this or like that. But it would still look great like that too. These are so wonderful, and these are very solid, not flimsy at all. I think I would have trouble punching through those. Wonderful. More donuts, more rings. These are dapped a little bit, so like they have a little, they're a little concave. Oh, two more. Lovely. This is such a fantastic lot. I wish I would have bought more lots now. Look at this. Oh, love it. And then a little petal. Could glue this to a flower. Could embed it in a polymer clay flower. Hang it as a charm. It's just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Lorie. You did it, little cow. I'm laughing because it's so cute. Sometimes when things are so cute, like my face just scrunches up and I can't stop smiling and it makes me giggle. It's because it's so cute. It's like painful how cute this thing is to me. I don't know why. I love cows. My mom loves cows. It's so cute. I don't love how stinky cows are because I live literally right across the street from a farm and I could deal without that. But this is a cute cow. Oh my gosh, my face hurts. I'm smiling so hard. And a rooster. My mom loves roosters from, you know, when I was little, we've always had roosters in the kitchen. It looks like he only has one leg. I mean, he only does have one leg, but okay, I guess if he stands that way, it could be 2 feet. Okay, but I was holding it this way, so it looked like he was missing a leg. All right, but he's so cute. He kind of, I don't know what the name of this thing is. If you guys know, tell me. Kind of looks like a moose antlers, though. But look at those, the detail on these feathers. I think I would definitely patina this guy. He's gonna be hoarded for a little while because he's really cool. The cow is just making my day. Oh, and then I forgot about the little armadillo. Oh my gosh. So Green Girl Studios has a little armadillo ball bead. I'm gonna have to get it because I saw it at her website last night. But oh, look at this. Armadillo is so cute. I don't think I've ever seen one of these in real life though. So we don't have them. As far as I know, we don't have them in Arizona. I think they're a Texas thing only, but I don't know that that's real. But he's so cute. I am like so happy right now. I'm in a bead high. And then we have 3 really pretty filigrees. These are a little bit thinner, but they're still very sturdy. And then a shield. Oh, he goes this way. And it's closed. It's closed. It's just a little patina right there. This is beautiful. This I could just use like that. Maybe put a bigger gemstone behind it or something. Oh, this unboxing is making me really oh, I'm just giggles in the goo right now. Okay. Another one. 6 pieces. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, I'm gonna make a mold of that. Look at the detail on this. Oh, it's amazing. And you get to make a texture plate with it too. You could use it as a texture plate in polymer clay. Just stamp it. going to have to get a stamping drawer. I have a lot of stampings already, but they're all in with my pendants and filigrees. I might have to make its own stamping drawer after receiving these beautiful stampings. Okay, so we have this guy. It looks almost like a quarter of a flower. Very ornate. This would really be pretty on, like, let's say we rolled a polymer clay ball and then smushed it flat and then put this on top and embedded it. That would be really pretty. Another one of these, perfect for earrings. Oh, look at this guy. I don't think this is the same. No. So it's very similar to this one. And I'm wondering, now look at this. I called it. So this one, I don't know if it was made like this, but now that I'm looking at it, has some cuts. So I think this one used to look like this, but now it's got a frame in the middle. I love both of them. I love both of them. And then I bought this one, this lot because of this guy. Look at how stunning that is. Could put a beautiful handmade cabochon behind there. Made out of polymer clay. You could put anything behind there. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Don't know how many pieces are in this one. We have a scarab. I don't like bugs, okay, but I do like scarabs. Certain bugs I give a pass, okay. This is wonderful. Love it. Get those out of the way. We have a Fleur-De-Lis. Beautiful. We have, oh, this used to be a pin. This is lovely. Look at it. It's like a nice chandelier. Oh my goodness. It comes with its own charm here. That's gorgeous, Hamsa. And then we have got some, I think these are acrylic beads. And then it's a nice chandelier. I would absolutely paint this and be beautiful. I don't know what color though. And just make it into a focal. Gorgeous. I have a lot of work to do, guys, because these things are so gorgeous. It seems vintage because it's very sturdy stamping. And then last but not least, look at that guy. That's one Mondo pendant. Just either wire wrap or cut some holes in the sides. Guys, this is one of my favorite hauls in a very long time, I gotta say. And I do a lot of hauls and I like a lot of beads, but this one kind of takes the cake. And I am just over the moon. Started off with these sassy ladies. Where's number 4? And we ended up with a fantastic, I'm just blown away with these stampings. So we got our beautiful ladies. What are my favorites? The ladies aren't even my favorites because they're just so much cool stuff. So these, what else? I really, oh yeah. This big donut. He was my absolute favorite. They have the whole shebang. My Armadillo. I really liked these guys. And my cow. My cow. And this guy. Oh, and this guy. So I think these are kind of, even though they're very different, these are on the same playing field in my mind. Like, I just love them. But if I had to choose out of all these things, the most simple thing in the whole the whole haul is my favorite because it just looks wonderful. Almost looks like a gong. So anyways, let me know what you thought. What was your favorite thing? Lorie, I am so pleased as punch. Thank you so much. I will definitely be at your next sale. And I hope everybody has a fantastic day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Is it too hot in your bed? Is that why you're laying outside your bed? It's a little warm in Arizona right now, huh? Hi, bud. Oh, there we go. Just watch your mom. Yeah, that's all you do all day is watch your mom. Hi. Hi, Goldie. You do not look impressed at all. Say hi to your friends. Hi, friends. Happy weekend.